All right, remember not too long ago, I got this toolbox at auction. Now we're gonna find out what's inside of it. This was a $5 impulse buy. So I'm not gonna bore you with the details, but we're gonna break into it and see what I've got. So just a minute and let's get it all sorted. Okay, so I've cleaned out the first tray. No surprise, there's a lot of garbage. I have no idea what these gasket thingers are. Maybe they're for garden hoses. They might be, maybe. Piece of scrap, I have no idea what that is. That's good on the scrap bin. A nail, a scrap. Got some drill bits. See if you can see where it's got too hot right there. Garbage. Throw the drill bits in, garbage. This guy here, holder of some sort, I don't know. Scrap, 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 copper scrap. Did get a socket here, 3/8 Husky. Put that there. Got a standard 11/32, 5/16 forged steel. I think I saw somewhere it's made in Germany. Look at this side. They're made in Germany. I'll go and keep pile. I got a line level. This is marked Stanley Handyman. And magnetic tool holder here, bit holder. That'll go in the keep pile. And the key. Eagle lock. Let's see if this works on this toolbox. All right, so the animals are being pretty noisy. Sorry about that. But let's see. Here it is. Okay, so the latch there, it's going to move. Well, it fits. It turns. Well, now it doesn't move. So hey. Looks like I found the key to the toolbox. That's a win. I'm not going to try it, but well, remind me and I'll try it at the end. Okay, so now we go to the second tray. Got some sockets in there. Let's see what else is there. Be right back. All right, so that second tray's been cleaned out. See, it's bent, so we'll get that straightened out. But I did pull all these out, and that has been unscrapped. But let's go to see what I found. Got a whole bunch of just garbage. So all that is going to get scrapped. I won't even hang on to these wire nuts. They were just garbage. But let's go through. See, I won't keep the concrete drill. Don't need that. But let's see what this stuff is. Okay, let's go through that second tray. This looks like it's a soldering iron. Got a homemade little set screw there. Don't see any marks on it. That'll probably go to my copper scrap. Snap-on. That'll probably go to a cell pile. I don't care about snap-ons. I'm not brand loyal. This one's a snap-on as well, but that's a scrap piece. I got a SK, a Bonnie, Apex, 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 and Apex. There we go. Let's put these away. let's get on to the next drawer. Let's see what's in this drawer here. Got some sockets, looks like some hex keys. Let's see what there's there. Alright, got another tray all cleaned out. Here's what was in there. Let's go through the junk first. I've got some electrical connectors. Maybe I'll keep these cotter keys. I'll put them in with the others. It looks like it's a spring from a flashlight. Screws, nails, drill bits. There's another wire nut. Get this all cleaned up. Who knows? I don't know. You just take this next time you go to the scrapyard. Throw it away. But here's the keeper stuff. Got a little metal rule marked general, and it goes 30 seconds and 64ths. So we'll keep that. I don't know if this is marked or not. Another apex. 7/16. Another apex. We got a Craftsman. Is that a double line V? What do you guys call these? I'm not a Craftsman collector, so I don't know, but we'll hang on to that one. This one's just marked 9/16. Got an SK. I have no idea what these are, but there's two of them. Hang on to those till I can figure out what they are. Got a neat little tiny Herbrand. What's this? Ignition wrench. Were these marked? Just made in USA. But got those little guys we'll hang on to. Copper plate, little handle we'll hang on to. Chewed the hell. Yeah, we'll just throw that away. That's garbage. Don't need that. We'll hang on to this little handle. Got some hollow punches. One of them was marked. See there? There's some punches there. Hang on to those. We'll hang on to those for the Dremel. A whole bunch of hex keys. And this page for the whole box right here. Can't really tell, but it's brass. But if you unscrew this, oh, there's another screwdriver. Look. Oh, let's unscrew this. What's there? Oh, it's another screwdriver. Huh. Well, I was excited to find this one, but let's put this together so we don't lose any of these pieces, and let's go to the next. All right, let's go to the fourth tray. That's more sockets and more garbage, I'll bet. But let's go and see what we got. Alrighty. Tray number 4 is done. And here's what was in there. Let's go through the garbage first. We got masonry bits. Another clamp. This is all going to non-ferrous. Move this bit. I'm no longer calling this a toolbox, but I'm calling it a tackle box. You can see there's another fish hook, more split shot. We'll put the non-ferrous material over here. Got a torch tip. I don't know, is that worth saving? We'll put it in the non-ferrous. Got a bent carriage bolt, split shot, washer. That's all split shot. The swivel. So yeah, tackle box now. There's another piece. Non-ferrous. Let's just garbage. Got another nail. But got a stamp here, number 1. Tell me what your number 1 favorite thing out of this box. Let's go to the good stuff. A whole bunch of Dremel tools. So I'll save those, set those aside. It's a little file, really neat. Made in USA. Oh, well, damn it, that didn't work. Just a minute, see if I can't find that. So I couldn't find it, so let's just see what we've got here. Let's start with the sockets. If you know what this is, star 9/16 star. It's kind of cool. Got a couple of these little guys still. Should be close to having a whole set of those. And same thing with these Apex. Interesting to see what I've got for a set on those. Let's see. That one's an Apex as well. Craftsman, double line V. Another Apex. This guy here has been adulterated pretty good. This is kind of a neat little find. Made in USA, a little stubby. That'd be a nice little cleanup project for someday. Then some check keys. I picked those up when I see them, but I should have more than I ever need right now. So let's get these put away. Okay, now let's go into the depths of the abyss here. See what we got in this tackle box / toolbox. Okay, so here's what I got from the bottom depths of that tackle box. I'm just gonna go through some junk. Some dirty copper wire there, piece of all thread, scrap, some clean copper pipe there. A lot of it's just garbage. I've got a lock here. I couldn't see a key in there. I'll look to make sure there's some more brass. This is kind of cool, but let me just throw that away. A broken rule. An adulterated bit. Then carriage bolt. Are these anything special? Let me know. I know I have some in here. We'll dig through them. I think it goes to like a Yankee drill. Diaphragm, it's just garbage. Let me get all this moved around. We'll get to some better stuff. Okay, we're just going to start on this end here. I mean, got a Gerber, probably a Leatherman tool, Leatherman multi-tool. I don't have one that fits that, but if you do, maybe I'll just throw this on eBay. I don't know. No marked tool holder here. Plastic handle scraper. I just picked up some, so that's now scrap bin. This was cool. I mean, it's chipped out there, but is this a graver? Just an awl? I'm kind of tending it's a graver, but I don't know. Neat little tool. Homemade little jobber here with a Craftsman scrap iron deal. Stamp steel scrap iron. It's kind of different. I'm going to put this in a scrap iron pile unless you tell me to get back out. Let's go through these wrenches real quick. We got a standard drop forged steel. Upland. Alloy steel, forged in USA, New Britain. Chrome plated heavy duty. Probably throw that in the toolbox. I could use that one. Indesto. Electrolyte. There, Upland. A Shaw. An Oxwall. Drop forged, made in Germany. Alloy. The Wizard. Proto Challenger. You get two knives. One's a Stanley. Oh, the other one's a Stanley too. Hospital pencil. Two cartridge containers. I'll throw those away. Need a little tester here. Get that cleaned up. I'll never use it, but it's kind of cool. File handle. I think these have been adulterated, but they're pretty neat. Probably throw those away. This one looks like it was a farrier's knife, but it's been broken there, you can see. But it's heavy. It's a neat little handle. It's another linoleum knife. Whole bunch of screwdrivers. Nothing really much to talk about. Snap on. Take these over to the farm. Another little plumbing wrench. Little rat tail file, little scratch awl. There's a great neck hacksaw. Couple little spade bits, nothing exciting there. Some more wrenches. Let's see what we've got in here. Made in USA, forged steel, slug steel. Made in USA, Shaw. Standard. Drop forged steel. Drop forged steel. See if I don't, maybe. Another Oxwall. Hey. And a Fleet Proto case with a hex key in there. I mean, a lot of this stuff I'm not too much interested in. Probably going to sell the majority. I'm going to sell it. I'll piece it out, probably throw it up on eBay, some Facebook Marketplace groups. But hey, tell me what your favorite tool is in here. Mine's probably that nesting little screwdriver set. I'll take some screwdrivers over to the farm. You can always use screwdrivers. But yeah, if you see something you want, I mean, feel free to hit me up. Thanks for watching.